If you're trying to decide between GetResponse and ConvertKit, you're in the right place. Both are solid email marketing platforms, but they're built for different users. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your needs best, and I'll even throw in an exclusive extended free trial you won't find anywhere else. First up, ease of use. ConvertKit is designed with simplicity in mind, perfect for creators who want a clean interface and an easy way to send emails, set up automations, and sell digital products. But that simplicity comes at a cost, fewer advanced marketing tools. GetResponse, on the other hand, gives you more flexibility. It has a full-featured email builder, landing pages, webinars, and even automation that rivals some high-end platforms. But with that power, there's a steeper learning curve. Next, automation. ConvertKit keeps things straightforward with a visual automation builder that's great for basic email sequences. If you're running a blog or selling a course, it's enough. GetResponse, though, takes automation to another level. You get advanced triggers, conditions, and segmentation that let you customize how and when emails are sent. If you want more control, GetResponse is the winner here. The third thing, landing pages. ConvertKit has them, but they're basic. If you just need a simple opt-in page, they'll do the job. But GetResponse offers a full-blown landing page builder with templates, A/B testing, and even built-in conversion tools. If growing an email list is a big priority for you, GetResponse gives you more firepower. Pricing. ConvertKit charges based on the number of subscribers, and while it offers a free plan, it's very limited. Once you scale up, it gets expensive fast. GetResponse, on the other hand, is more affordable at higher subscriber counts and offers more features even on lower plans. If you're cost-conscious and need the best value, GetResponse gives you more for your money. Finally, integrations. ConvertKit integrates well with creator-friendly platforms like Teachable and Gumroad, but GetResponse has a wider range of connections, including e-commerce tools like Shopify and WooCommerce, making it a better fit for businesses that want to go beyond just email marketing. So which one should you choose? If you're a content creator who just needs simple email marketing, ConvertKit does the job. But if you want more advanced marketing tools, better automation, and stronger list building features, GetResponse is the better pick. And here's the kicker, I've got an exclusive extended free trial for GetResponse that you won't find on their website. Plus, I've also included some alternative options that might be an even better fit for your needs, all with free trials. Click the first link in the description to get access.